everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook stories. To know how to fix Facebook stories, you should just go to settings as you see here. You will go to click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this page, you will go to find the application of Facebook as you see, and you will enter. When you will find this page, you will go down to click force stop. When you will go to click storage, and then in this page you will go to click clear cache. After that, you will go to click clear data, and after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.